Okay, and then trick how I can disconnect this airbag sensors connector in here, this yellow line, and let's look at how this job really happens in here. Next. Yeah, and there is really this connector, and it looks like that, and there is trick that this is totally different way. We have to pull that switch and this connector in this central area. This is trick. That central part in down and then out. This part, this is this movable part, this central area. This is the trick. This area moves inner. Look, that part. Now it's open, open, and then close. Open and close. Small movement, and now this connector is free. This is totally different than normal parts. Excellent, and now this area is ready.